You just get a roofing estimate and honestly, you are stuck. Is this a fair price or you're about to get scammed? Most homeowners find these contracts impossible to read, but you shouldn't have to be an expert to understand what you are paying for. I'm Clay from Roofing Nation, and today I'm showing you exactly what's hidden between the lines using real estimate. Let's start with the most important part, the scope of work. This is basically the step-by-step plan for your roof. I told our team, let's show them a real example. So we pulled one of our commercial estimates. The client had already received a proposal from another company and sent it to us. So this is what that company gave them. Pay attention to the scope of work, or as they call it, the description of work. And now, let me show you what we delivered for the same building. Look at our scope of work. And this specifically is what I want to talk to you about. Your estimate needs to be crystal clear about the tear-off, how they install the underlayment, and finally, the cover. If they talk about layers, they must list the specific brand and type. The same goes for your shingles, metal, or tiles. As we have explained in many videos before, materials are a whole world of their own, and you deserve to know exactly what's going on your home. A $283,341 price tag shouldn't come out of thin air. You need to see what makes up every dollar of that number: labor, materials, permits, disposal. So let me ask you, do you trust a clear breakdown or a short list that leaves you guessing? Once you have the basics, you need to check for the extras. This is where things usually go wrong for homeowners. Photos of your roof right now. This is your evidence. You need to see the before so you can actually trust the after. Permits. A real pro handles the paperwork and follows your city's code. No excuses. And change orders. This is the big one. Some companies give you a low price just to get indoor, then discover issues once the work starts. Remember, change orders are for unexpected damage, not for fixing a contractor's bad math. Finally, let's talk numbers. Check your payment dates, financing, warranties. You actually have 2 layers of protection, one from the company for the labor and the one from the manufacturer for the materials. Make sure you have both. A 30-year warranty means nothing if the manufacturer says it was installed wrong. That's why documentation matters. Don't let anyone rush you. A good contractor will sit down and explain the contract to you page by page. Compare your options and take your time. If you want a second pair of eyes on an estimate you've received, or if you need a fresh start, give us a call at Roofing Nation for a free estimate. And here is the tip. Tell us you found us on YouTube when you call, and we will give you priority attention. Let's make sure your roof is done right.